Okay.
So the Salesforce is a cloud computing CRM. CRM is something called customer relationship management. Okay. So we have number of CRMs in our market, like Salesforce CRM is there, and Microdynamic CRM, SAP CRM, and Amadex CRM, Sugar CRM. Number of CRMs are there. So compared to all the CRMs, Salesforce CRM is a topmost position because something called we are giving to the better satisfaction to the customer, and we have to give in a good um, feedback. We got the good feedback from the customers what were we supposed to be doing from our end. Okay, a CRM is system, nothing but tool, tracks all the stages in sales process. Within this tool, all the customer related information is stored in that CRM tool. Okay, so Salesforce is the world number one CRM. Okay, and we happy to help marketing, sales, commerce, and service IT teams work on one from anywhere. So you have to keep customer happy everywhere. Okay, so we have to use cloud computing and access the business application via internet. It's called software as a service, and business are freed up from having to maintain and upgrade the software and hardware. Just log on to get it from anywhere and many cases and any device. Example, we can take an example like a laptop, a desktop, tabs, and mobile devices. How we are using like Gmail, Facebook, other applications. Similar kind of application we have Salesforce. We just need user ID password, and we can able to do our work from anywhere, everywhere. Okay, and we don't want specific hardware, specific softwares. Like you can take an example of any other technologies like SAP or other technologies. They need this much of GB RAM, this much of GB hard disk and all, right? But Salesforce is needed just minimal requirement for hardware purpose, and software also very minimal requirement we supposed to be use in our using our Salesforce application. Okay, so this is about brief description about Salesforce CRM and how the CRM is there. And CRM something called customer relationship management, and Salesforce is a cloud computing CRM. And cloud computing, one of the technology is Salesforce. We have number of technologies in cloud computing, and Salesforce is one of the technology in cloud computing. Okay, so this is about a little brief description about Salesforce CRM. Okay, so any doubts up to here?
Yeah, no, no doubts.
Oh, good to hear. Yeah. So we have a small history of Salesforce. Okay, if you guys interested more about Salesforce, go for this wiki. You can get more details. Okay, I just want to give a very small description about history, because we need to know we have started a new technology, and we need to know what when it is started, how it will be started, and how we have to be working. Okay, salesforce.com, actually that's a full name of Salesforce is salesforce.com. We can take it short form SFDC. Okay, if you have to go with any job portal or any in our real-time company also, they will call SFDC only. Okay, so the full form of SFDC is salesforce.com. Okay, so if you want history of this Salesforce, we have to go this. I had to give very brief description and few lines here. Okay, Salesforce.com is an American cloud-based software company headquarters in San Francisco, California, USA. Okay, so it is a software company, and they have to maintain this company. So they will be giving to service also. If suppose we are facing any issue in Salesforce, or we are looking for any new functionality in Salesforce, we will get it from Salesforce company. So Salesforce is a company, so we have that company. It is Located in headquarters is San Francisco, California, USA. Okay, it provides customer relationship services also and provides complementary suites of enterprise applications focused on the customer service, marketing automation, analytics, and application development. So all the aspects will be handled by the Salesforce company. So this is a software company. Okay, so Salesforce is a software technology tool. Okay, we have to be use the tool in our business. Okay, so in 2020, Future Magazine ranked Salesforce number 6 on this list, the best 100 companies to work based on the employee survey satisfaction. We have got that rank. Okay, the company was founded February 3, 1999. So you need to understand this is a new kind of technology. We just completed 20 years, 21 years. Okay, so compared to other technologies, Salesforce is a new technology. Okay, so it's a former of exclusive Mac Bonif together the Mark Harris and Dave McFopp and Frank Noyes, as they have been implemented software as a service as a company, and we launched the publicity between September and November 1999. So this has just started 1999. Before that, we don't have this technology. Okay, and June 2004, the company initiated public offers and New York Stock Exchange, and stock symbol of CRM raised 110 million, and after that they will started. So this will started from 1999. Okay, and 2014 Salesforce announced the development of customer success platform tied together and Salesforce service including sales, service, marketing, analytics, community, mobile apps, and all they have been launched. And we have got this Salesforce partner with Apple also improving apps, the business. And December 1st, 2020, it was announced Salesforce was acquired Slack, like $27.7 billion. So Slack is one of the product we have to communicate with the users. So this is a little history about Salesforce. If you guys very interested, go to that wiki and you have to get it. Okay. So we have sub branches about Salesforce. So luckily we have the branches in India only. Okay, apart from headquarters. One is Hyderabad, another is Bangalore. So these are the sub branches of extension of the headquarters, like main branch. So the main branch will be USA, California, and these are the two branches we have on India only, like Bangalore and Hyderabad. Okay. So this is about the brief demo about Salesforce. Okay. So in this training benefits, we can provide a real-time project scenarios, which is recently challenges in real-time projects, and we can provide a profile, a resume as per your guys' experience, and we can take mock interviews as like how it is software companies nowadays how they're taking in the market. We can take mock interviews if you need. We will provide real-time job support also, but terms and conditions are applied. So these are the benefits, and after completion of this training, we have this kind of jobs like admin jobs we have, and developer jobs we have, and admin with production support or technical support we have, and SFDC tester or QA, so testing engineers also we have, and SFDC deployment engineer or release management also we have. This kind of majorly these 5 kind of jobs we are repeatedly have in our market. So this is about jobs types we have. Okay, you can choose which is a better, and how it is the market is giving to the huge demand. Okay, so this
So
is,
what is developer in classic and lightning?
yeah, in developer we have 2 modes. One is classic mode and lightning mode. Okay, so we have the openings in classic mode also and lightning mode also. Okay, so lightning is recently introduced in the Salesforce. Okay, so lightning is like premium version of Salesforce UI. Okay, so this is also we have available in development area.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So this is about brief description and a small demo, crispy demo. Okay. So if you want more history about, you can go ahead with this. Okay. So I supposed to go ahead with another one is index part. So index is something called what we have to discuss in this duration of the course. Okay. So you guys know Salesforce have divided to two parts. One is a configuration part, it's like admin part, and customization part, it's the development part. Okay. So coming to that, what concepts we have to be discuss in coming few classes, like introduction of Salesforce concepts. We have to be introduction, and we have to go with the design wise and URL wise, what are the URLs we supposed to use, and sandboxes and production, and all the details we supposed to go ahead. And configuration and like admin part, user creations, profiles, page layouts, record types, and standard objects, custom objects, validation rules, email templates, and understanding the relationships, lookup master detail, and workflow rule, approval process builder, reports and dashboards, security models, and custom settings, and ID and external settings. So these are the admin part. And going to the development part, you have to discuss about triggers, bulk creation triggers, controlling the recursion, and visual force pages, and Apex classes, batch Apex, schedule Apex, and we have the integration also. We have to discuss about integration part, and we have data migration part, how to use data migration in any technology. We have some data migration tools, like we have data loader in our Apex, and we can do deployment, inbound, outbound change set from one sandbox to another sandbox, and one sandbox to production. And testing framework also we have in our Salesforce, specifically how to do the test classes and how to do the functionality in the test. And the final one, app exchange. So app exchange is something called app store. So the developers are implemented some add-ons in that app exchange, and we have to use our add-ons, few of them free version, few of them paid version. How we are getting the Google apps and app store, we supposed to get the applications, similar kind of applications we have in app exchange about the Salesforce. So these are the topics we have to discuss here in this training session. Any doubts about this index?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Okay.
I will be learning like lightning concepts also in this Salesforce.
No, this training only for classic. If you
Yeah,
guys needed the basic of lightning, I will provide 1 or 2 sessions, because even I also don't know about lightning properly.
yeah. Okay.